Hi, this is Mathias. Back in July this summer, I had the opportunity to race on the Mountain of Hell. You take your bike and you go down from the glacier. This is my story. Hi guys, it's 5 p.m. and we are ready to leave Geneva for Les Deux Alpes, the Mountain of Hell. We just arrived in Les Alpes. Look at the car behind me. I'm 2 meters high and he's higher than me in fact. Hey guys, we are Friday in Les Deux Alpes and we are riding now for the Rocon. Yeah. And this is our first ascent.
Woo! It's even harder than pedaling up. Yeah. Super physical.
I like your accent.
Yeah,
nice accent.
Yeah, I'm doing a great effort. So Recon, it's today, qualifications tomorrow, and we're gonna see how ahead we are on the pack depending on the results we get on the return.
We just went down from this cliff. We have to ride all the way up before. PM and I'm stuck here since 10 minutes or more and I'm hungry guys. I didn't eat since this morning. More than 10 minutes and I just asked what happened to the guys behind me and they asked to the guys before and very soon we will know what happened. So yeah, this is also the Mountain of Hell experience. Yes! It moves again. After 15 minutes. Quite long in fact. 'Vacation on Saturday. We see also some teams. We have a team from Brooklyn. Another team coming from Italy.
From the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside your hands, and you play it to the beat.
Hi guys, 15 minutes, just finished the qualification. I'm here on the floor. Wow, it's so warm. I'm done for today. Hi guys, 6 in the morning on Sunday. I woke up at 5. It takes us 2 hours to go up. We're going to 3,300 meters high. There are 800 participants. I'm super excited.
If I left, then it made no sense. Let me tell your friends, and they hold your hands. Baby, never mind, never mind. Never mind, never mind. Yeah. What if I left, then it made no sense. Let me tell your friends, and they hold your hands. Baby, never mind, never mind.